Hi there, welcome to our world. Today, we will be exploring one of the most iconic landmarks of this city of Kyiv, Ukraine, the Motherland Monument. The Motherland Monument is a towering statue that stands at 102 meters tall, making it one of the tallest monuments in the world. The statue was built in 1981 to commemorate the sacrifices of the Ukrainian people during the Soviet era. It stands as a symbol of strength and resilience, reminding us of the past and inspiring us to look towards a bright future. The statue is located in the heart of the city and can be seen from almost anywhere in Kyiv. Visitors can walk up to the monument and admire its impressive size and intricate details. The statue is made of steel and concrete, and depicts a woman holding a sword and shield, symbolizing the strength and protection of the Ukrainian people. Visitors can also take a tour of the museum located at the base of the monument. The museum showcases the history of Ukraine, from ancient times to modern day. There are interactive exhibits and displays that provide a comprehensive understanding of the country's rich cultural heritage. The museum also offers panoramic views of the city from its observation deck, making it a popular tourist destination. In conclusion, the Motherland Monument is not just a landmark, but a symbol of Ukrainian pride and strength. Its beauty and significance make it a must-visit destination for anyone exploring Kyiv. We hope you enjoyed learning about this iconic monument and that it inspires you to visit this amazing city. Thank you for joining us in our journey to explore our world. We hope to see you again. Please subscribe.